Imagine, believe, achieve. They call me a dreamer. To me, dreaming is empowering your mind to infinite possibilities. If I can dream it, I can do it. I persevere while they are losing focus over my commitment to success. The foundation of my success lies in my childhood, where I was dedicated in learning the business ropes from previous generations. My playground is my work. My passion is about analyzing my next business opportunity. What you do and how you do it are what defines you. I choose to never quit and stay true to myself. Sometimes it's not about timing. It's just about making a decision and transforming it into an opportunity. Success is about friendship that lasts over a lifetime, family you cherish, and family you create and surround yourself with. Trust your core and allow criticism. Be aware of your surroundings. What makes you strong is the ability to reinvent yourself continuously and evolve. Innovate, focus, conquer.